Coronavirus is a respiratory illness, which means it is mostly spread through virus-laden droplets from coughs and sneezes. But then why do you need to wash hands so regularly? Enough has been said about social distancing and close contact coronavirus transmission. But what people fail to understand is the importance of washing hands properly, and more often. If not from close air transmission from another corona-positive person coughing or sneezing, the next likely transmission would be from your own hands. Once you go out for exercise, dog walking, grocery or for any other reason, you would be touching things and objects invariably. If you stay indoors, you would be touching things which are door delivered. If not anything else, you would be touching your own dress, bag, car, etc., which may be potentially infected. Once your hands are infected, if you then touch your mouth or nose without washing your hands first, you may accidentally give that virus an entry point into your own body. That is why the guideline is to wash hands often and properly every time. A proper hand wash involves wet hands with water, apply enough soap to cover entire hand, rub hands palm to palm. But people often ask, does soap kill coronavirus? Soap molecules are very similar to ones making up the outer layer of the virus, both attracting each other strongly. This disrupts the neatly ordered shell around the virus, dissolving it in the running water and killing the virus. Does antibacterial hand sanitizer kill viruses as well? Yes, if it is alcohol-based. Alcohol is an antiseptic and can kill enveloped viruses such as coronavirus, but make sure it contains 60 to 95% alcohol. So maintain this simple rule of hand washing to stay safe from coronavirus.